Hi, and welcome to OwnerRez. Creating additional property listings through mutual blocking can be an excellent way to boost occupancy and reach new guest segments you might be missing. In this video, we'll show what mutual blocking looks like inside of OwnerRez, how to set it up, and how to test it. Let's start by viewing the booking calendar. Here you can see that we have 3 properties currently set up inside this OwnerRez account. We have Seabreeze A, Seabreeze B, and the Beach House. For this example, we have combined our 2 adjacent vacation rental properties, Seabreeze A and Seabreeze B, and combined them into a new property called the Beach House, which allows us to cater to larger groups and families while reaching a new guest segment. You can apply the same strategy in the opposite way by taking your large property and splitting it into multiple smaller properties. Using the mutual blocking feature inside of OwnerRez, the system will automatically block dates across your linked properties, as you can see here, ensuring that you don't receive a double booking. In addition, you can easily map multiple smart locks to different listings within the same property, so everything syncs up seamlessly. To get started with mutual blocking, a great way to speed up the process is to duplicate your current property. To do so, select Properties on the bottom far left of your menu bar, select a property, and then under the Actions drop-down, select Duplicate. On this page, select whether or not you'd like to include listing data in the copy, include the name of your property, and then select Save. Next, you'll need to configure the details, pricing, rules, and other settings for your new property. Once you've got everything completed to set up mutual blocking, select your new property, click Calendars, select the Mutual Blocking tab, and then click Change Linked Properties. For this example, we have linked the calendars for Seabreeze A and Seabreeze B with our new larger property, the Beach House. Now, if a guest books the Beach House, it will automatically block the calendars of A and B, and if a guest books either A or B, it will automatically create a block for the Beach House. To test this, let's create a block off by going to Bookings, select Block Off, select the property, put in some dates, select Block Off Time, save, go back to Bookings, and here you can see that the block off date on the Beach House has blocked off Seabreeze A and B so that they are unbookable. This confirms that the mutual blocking feature is working properly for the setup. The last step, if you have integrated door locks with OwnerRez, is to map your physical locks to the new property. To do this, select Settings on the bottom far left of your menu bar, scroll down to Workflow and Devices, select Door Locks, select Manual Locks, and then select Change. To get this set up correctly, underneath OwnerRez Properties, we will go ahead and add the Beach House for each of these locks. Once we're finished, we'll select Save. Now, when someone books the Beach House, they will receive codes for the physical locks at both Seabreeze A and B so they can access both adjacent properties. Please note that mutually blocked properties are billed as individual separate properties by OwnerRez. For more information on mutual blocking and additional use cases, please visit us at ownerrez.com/support. Thanks for choosing OwnerRez.